When it comes to safeguarding your home, one of the most effective and immediate ways to enhance your security is by upgrading your door. Whether you're a homeowner in Clinton Township, MI, or just looking to boost your home's overall safety, replacing an old door with a more secure option can make a noticeable difference. Not only does a new door provide an aesthetic upgrade, but it also strengthens your home's defense against intruders, weather elements, and even energy loss. Here's why replacing your door can be one of the best decisions you make for the security and comfort of your home in Clinton Township. Better protection against break-ins. The primary function of your front door is to provide protection and security, but an aging or poorly constructed door could be leaving your home vulnerable to burglars. Older wooden doors, for instance, can be kicked in or easily pried open with minimal effort. Additionally, worn-out locks and hinges only add to the risk. Replacing your front door with a modern, reinforced model significantly reduces these risks. Steel or fiberglass doors, in particular, offer superior protection against break-ins. Steel doors are difficult to break or kick down, and fiberglass doors are both durable and resistant to wear and tear. They also offer increased resistance to weather damage, such as swelling, cracking, or warping, which can often compromise a door's security features. Improved energy efficiency. While security is a top concern, energy efficiency is another critical factor in keeping your home comfortable and reducing energy bills. Older doors may have gaps, cracks, or seals that allow drafts to enter, leading to higher heating and cooling costs, especially in Michigan's harsh winters and hot summers. A new, energy-efficient door with a solid frame and effective weatherproofing can help maintain your home's temperature year-round. Look for doors with good insulation ratings, such as insulated fiberglass or steel doors with core materials designed to minimize heat transfer. These doors not only protect your home from the outside elements but can also improve your home's overall energy efficiency. Enhanced curb appeal. A new door can significantly enhance the look of your home, boosting its curb appeal and overall aesthetic. In Clinton Township, where homes vary in style from classic to contemporary, the right door can complement your home's design while adding a welcoming touch. Modern entry doors come in a variety of styles, colors, and finishes to match your preferences and increase your home's value. The entrance is the first impression guests or potential buyers will have, so choosing a high-quality door that fits the look of your home can have a great impact on your property's appeal. Whether you prefer sleek, modern glass designs or traditional wood finishes, a new door can elevate your home's appearance while offering the security benefits you need. Boosting privacy and noise reduction. And a new door doesn't only protect you from the outside world in terms of security, it can also enhance your privacy. A solid, well-insulated door reduces the level of noise that enters or leaves your home. For residents of Clinton Township, where homes are often close together, a noise-reducing door can make your home feel quieter and more serene, blocking out street noise, neighbors, and other disturbances. For homes near busy streets or in neighborhoods with high foot traffic, upgrading to a solid door can create a peaceful atmosphere inside. If privacy is a concern, a solid core door or design with minimal glass may be the best option to prevent prying eyes from peeking into your home. Increased resale value. A home's security features and overall appearance play a role in its market value. If you're considering selling your Clinton Township property in the future, investing in a new, high-quality door is a smart move. Potential buyers are often looking for homes that are secure, energy efficient, and stylish. A new, sturdy door can be a significant selling point, making your home stand out in a competitive real estate market. Conclusion. Incorporating a new door into your home renovation project in Clinton Township not only improves the overall security but also provides added benefits such as better energy efficiency, increased privacy, and enhanced curb appeal. Whether you're looking to safeguard your family, increase the value of your home, or make your space more comfortable, a new door replacement is a wise investment that offers both immediate and long-term rewards. For the best results, consult with a local door replacement expert who can guide you through the selection process, ensuring you choose the ideal door for your home's specific needs and aesthetic. Upgrading your door is a simple yet powerful step toward a safer and more secure home in Clinton Township.